we got the ionizer in there. We're about to do the AC hose that goes to the AC. So in these insulated hoses, in that bag, you're gonna see two different types. The little thin one, these two thicker ones. Thicker ones are gonna go down here for the water lines. Thinner clear one with insulated, it's gonna go in the black. When I say black, it means this, but it's gonna go to the L one for this. It's going to there. This is gonna be what's gonna compress. We're just gonna plug it in at the bottom. Right there. Okay. And then next, I normally try to get the insulation to the chamber as much as possible. This one's not as big of a deal. And the next one is going to be our concentrator line. The concentrator line is just the blue one. It's got the little tree hook on it, or the tree attachment on it. It's going to go in there. You're just going to push it in. There you go. And it's going to be blue to blue. Can you look on that? This, can't really see it. It's just going to twist onto the concentrator down low. Show you real quick. So that blue line just goes right down in there, and it just twists on there. There you go. All right, moving on down. There's our blue hose. So we got this power cord, and this bag of goodies that you had of the AC stuff with the insulated hoses. You're gonna go to the power cord. It's gonna have these things with them, the little zip ties. Okay. It's just a cord that has two ends, exactly the same. Doesn't matter which side goes to which. So we're just going to plug it into here, which comes off that wire. This is what's going to give power to that AC unit in the inside. And then this one, turn around, it's going to connect. You can hardly see it, but there's a little AC. Turn you real quick. Go. So this one, it's just got a little spot right here. Just want to plug it in right there. There we go. Okay, the last part is going to be insulated hoses. These just kind of twist off. You can keep this if you want. There's really no reason to, because you'll have hoses with this that if you needed to bypass it, you could. But these are those thicker insulated tubes. You're just going to slide it on. Slide the other one on. There we go. This is when I try to get this insulation close as possible to the chamber. And these just run to this little in and out. There you go. All right. So all our connections to the chamber itself are done. The only one we got left now is the compressor. So what we're going to be able to hook up is a hose from here down into that one, which will be with our bag of goodies. It's going to be that clear hose. We're just going to hook it right there. And we're going to come down here. We just hook it right there. All right. And that's all of our connections. Other than that, it's just pushing the power cords in and plugging it up. Do note that there's a way to fill up this AC unit. You need to use distilled water. There's a line in here that tells you don't go past a certain line. But yep, and then after that, it's pretty much just powering on. The only note is this has a switch here to turn it on, but it won't actually turn on until you hit this white button on this side right there. That's the actual power button you'll use.